And look at that frosting. This is a lemony cake. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I'm making a sheet cake. It's a lemon sheet cake, and it's gonna have a lemon frosting on it. I mean, this recipe looks so good and pretty easy, so I'm gonna give it to you all in steps. So first you start off with a bowl. You have a sifter thingy right here. This is 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Right here I have 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Half a teaspoon of baking soda. Half a teaspoon of salt. Now I'm just going to sift all this together. So I set my dry ingredients to the side. Now I'm going to work on my wet ingredients. Right here, I have a half a cup of sugar. This is granulated sugar. This right here, this is 2 lemons that have been zested. 2 lemons. Okay, so you're going to add that to your sugar and mix it. Just mix it together completely. Now I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of sweetened condensed milk. This is a half a cup of vegetable oil. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. 3 eggs. 1/4 cup of lemon juice. This is fresh lemon juice. And now I'm going to mix all this together. So here we go, you guys. Here's my wet ingredients. Now I'm going to add my sifted dry ingredients. And I'm going to mix all of these together. And this is my cake. Okay, so right here I have a pan. This is a 9x11 pan, one of these silver ones. I'm going to add my cake batter, and then I'm going to bake it in a preheated 350-degree oven. Okay, so here's my cake batter. We're going to put this in the oven. So here's my cake. It's completely cooked. When a toothpick comes out clean, 25 to 35 minutes. That's how long you cook it. So now I have to wait for this to cool down, and then we're going to frost it. Okay, you guys, my cake is almost completely cooled off. So I'm going to work on the frosting. Right here, I have 3 cups of powdered sugar. It's been sifted. You don't want any lumps. This is 1 stick of butter, salted butter. And right here, 1/4 cup of sour cream and a little pinch of salt, extra salt. And right here, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Now I'm going to mix this together. Here's my frosting all whipped together. Now let's get our cake. So here's my cake, you guys. And when I first saw this, they were frosting it with the back of a spoon and just kind of making waves like this. It looks so pretty. Okay, so this is a really soft frosting. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna cut into it. Oh, and one last thing I forgot. I have some extra zest. You want to make it pretty on top, and the zest just adds a lot. Look how beautiful this is. Very nice. Okay, so now let's cut into this cake. Okay, you guys, here's my cake. Light and fluffy. And look at that frosting. This is a lemony cake. This is a very lemony cake. Let me take a taste. Mmm. Okay. Mmm. Very good. Mmm. The frosting is really good. Mmm. Very lemony. If you like lemon, this is a great dessert. Okay, so this is my lemon sheet cake. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. Helps me out. Please subscribe, and that way we can see each other again.